Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, Your World Explorer. Today is July the 1st, 2024, and we're looking at our table olive tree, which is approximately, I'd say, 13 to 15 feet tall now. If you look at it, it's doing pretty well. It's just, when we first started off, we planted it in the ground here, and it needed a lot of help, needed a lot of care. But it was only like 3 feet tall, I think. It was tiny. Took like a year for this thing to start growing at all, but once it started to grow, it just all of a sudden just took off, and it hasn't stopped since. I think we started growing this May of 2019, and it came from a pot, so yeah, we had to bring it in. But as far as the Florida climate for the table olive, the sugar sand here, it does extremely well, and these are the results that you're seeing. Has it produced? No, it hasn't produced any fruit yet. No olives, none of that. I haven't even seen a flower. I don't know if it produces flowers, but going forward, we will discover. We will find out. But my number one purpose for growing this olive tree on my property is specifically for the hardwood that it produces. Now, because of how densely these wood rings are packed, it will produce a nice strong hardwood that I can then utilize for like pin turning and stuff like that. So yes, I'm a hardwood enthusiast, and I really enjoy trying to grow my own hardwoods on my property. Folks, I love this graphic. Now, if you want this graphic too, and you want it on your own merch, go to Zazzle.com/Your World Explorer, and you can get it on a bunch of different items. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as it helps the channel grow. And stay tuned, because I will keep you updated on the progress of this table olive tree. Have a great day.